Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're looking for a natural remedy to stop hair fall, achieve silky and shiny hair, and even get glowing skin, you're in the right place. Today, we're talking about the magic of flaxseed gel. What is flaxseed gel? Flax seeds are tiny powerhouses packed with omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and fiber. When you make them into gel, they become a superfood for your hair and skin. Benefits for hair. So, why is flaxseed gel great for your hair? Here are some amazing benefits. Reduces hair fall. Flaxseed gel strengthens the hair follicles, preventing breakage and hair loss. In just 15 days, you can start seeing a difference. Promotes faster growth. The nutrients in flaxseed nourish the scalp, leading to faster hair growth. Say goodbye to slow-growing hair. Adds shine and smoothness. It also acts as a natural conditioner, leaving your hair silky and shiny. Benefits for skin. But it doesn't stop there. Flaxseed gel is also fantastic for your skin. Hydrates the skin. Its moisturizing properties help keep your skin hydrated and glowing. Reduces inflammation. But it doesn't stop there. Flaxseed gel is also fantastic for your skin. Hydrates the skin. Its moisturizing properties help keep your skin hydrated and glowing. Reduces inflammation. Now let's get into how to make flaxseed gel. Ingredients: 1/4 cup flax seeds, 2 cups water optional, a few drops of essential oil for fragrance. Steps: in a pot, combine 1/4 cup of flax seeds with 2 cups of water. Bring it to a boil, then reduce to a simmer. Stir occasionally. After about 10 to 15 minutes, you'll see it thicken. If you want a smoother gel, strain it through a fine mesh strainer. Let it cool, and if you like, add a few drops of your favorite essential oil. Transfer it to a clean jar and it's ready to use. How to use flaxseed gel for hair. Now, how do you use this gel? As a hair mask, apply it generously to your hair, focusing on the roots. Leave it on for about 30 minutes before rinsing. As a leave-in conditioner, you can also use a small amount as a leave-in conditioner for added moisture and shine. How to use flaxseed gel for skin. For your skin, just apply a thin layer of flaxseed gel after cleansing. Let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse off for a refreshing glow. Conclusion. And there you have it. A simple, natural way to stop hair fall, promote growth, and achieve glowing skin using flaxseed gel. Try it out for 15 days and let me know your results in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to